We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of May. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Anyway, enjoy today's video. So there's really only one rule for this entire challenge, that being that whatever cross color I start with, I have to keep it on the top for the entirety of the solve. So for example, if I started with white cross, I would just have to have the white side on the top for the entire solve. Let's get this scrambled up. Okay, let's see what cross I will be starting on. Let's see, yellow is probably my best bet for this. So we'll start with yellow. Again, it has to be on top the entire solve. So let's get started. Let's see, what do I do here? Okay, so we have our cross done. I think I'm gonna start with this green and orange. Okay, there's the first pair. Man, this is actually going pretty smoothly. There we go. This pair is probably gonna be a little harder, but we got it. Okay, this is honestly going pretty well. Easy OLL. And then, we have a G perm. I think what I'm gonna do is just do a T perm. Let's see. How do I do a T perm? There's the... Does that work? Nope. What if I... Let's see. Shoot, what did I do? Oh, nice, we got it done in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Awesome, so now we know that I can in fact solve the Rubik's Cube upside down. But can I solve it upside down like this? So this solve will not be done upside down. I will solve it normally, but of course I am upside down. But anyway, let's get started so my head doesn't pop off. Ready and go. Oh crap, this is hard. There we go. I can't even think like this. Oh, this is good. Oh yeah. What did I get? I got 20. That sucks. I want to retry because that was really bad. This time I'll actually take some inspection. Okay, ready? I know this is an illegal way to start the timer. Okay. There we go. And a J perm to finish us off. What'd I get? 23. Okay. Oh no. Gotta go faster, Josh. Come on, man. You got this. No. $25. This is my last chance to get a sub 20 upside down because my head's about to pop off. Anyway, okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go. Yes. Yes, I know that algorithm. Oh yeah. Oh please. No, it's a 22. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Anyway, see you in the next one. Peace. I'm gonna die. Ugh.